not on any of the school buses at the moment. God damn it, because I'm falling one towards the...
Oh, Jesus.
But they want to call me out at the gas station like I'm fucking doing them wrong. So, yeah.
Magania's here. I was in my car, pulled up next to this guy. He pulled a knife out, not on me, but he pulled it out and like tried to like mad dog me with a knife.
Yeah, show out to who?
He has a knife.
Oh, the cop is right behind me. Oh, they're doing it to Mr. Twyman again.
Wait a minute.
Trying to locate.
First name?
Right.
Yeah. How you doing, man?
Good. People are doing the same shit to me. What do I do? They didn't do it the first time. I don't know. I'm trying to keep my hands to myself.
2097.
Yeah, I was in San Quentin. Yo. All right.
You already talked to the gentleman, but real quick, man. What's the deal with this window guy?
I don't know. Ask them.
I already talked to him. I just want to get your side.
I just stopped at the stoplight because people were f***ing me already, and they fucking want to accuse me of looking at them fucking wrong.
Like,
And they, yeah, people do it all the time. There was a band with some old guys saying that.
I have dash cam footage of this guy
You don't know me.
mad dogging me with a knife.
You don't know who I am, and why do I have to take that abuse?
Brian, you have to go to Vegas, right?
No, never.
Okay.
I don't have to go there ever again. I'll just ride by.
Right by.
They lost my business,
Yeah.
period.
Yeah. Just go.
Hey,
Fix for good bread. Have some chicken soup. All right. Good.
ask them.
You're good. Okay,
I'll show you guys the footage.
Just feel better.
Is that on the other side or they up the road because the other one's different?
Yeah, no, it's like
I'm just trying to the one on the right.
When I upload,
I'm just trying to clarify. I'll stay 50 yards away. I'll fucking go in the other lane when I pass them. Don't give me a ticket. You might understand.
I understand.
Hey.
Jesus, Magania.
12 and 31.
I can do that, I would.
Per the principal, we should be checking Heather Smith's house. She said you got that information.
Hey, firm, that's going to be 3195 at
Hey, I was just.
Yeah, Mark. Mickey Burberry, or code 4, Team Clear.
What's up with pulling a knife, man?
Huh?
What's up with pulling a knife on me?
On you?
I was in my car. You pulled up right next to it.
Where?
Whooped out a knife like you were gonna do something with it.
Because you must have been part of them.
Part of who? I don't know what you're talking
They
about.
was f***ing with me.
I
Well,
fuck did.
never
I
mind.
pulled over and you pulled out a knife like you were gonna do something.
No talking.
I got footage of it, man. Dash cam.
08.
Yep, I got footage of it. It's all right. I'll show it. I'll show everyone. I'll show everyone.
Need all bus stops on Broad.